From the 5th of the first month of 1437, the Statue of Liberty Spiritual Exercise and Lesson 6 of the Eckankar 2 Discourses by Harold Klemp is the title of the paper. Page 126 of the Eckankar 2 Discourses has a drawing of what Eckists are commanded to think. Satnam, our true name, is supposed to look like. Does God as ruler of the fourth heaven and our fifth plane look like the Statue of Liberty? Or is this a projection that is a result of extreme patriotism? The drawing is as if one was facing northwest at the face side of the statue upon its stand. Northwest is the direction that may be attributed to the period of the year around November 7th, and that includes Eckankar New Year, or 12 a.m. on October 22nd. Now, I don't really see much talk to whether it's always when it switches over to the 22nd, or whether it's the when that happens in Chanhassen, or before that in California or Vegas or something.